Hello, welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you an honest review of the TRIA laser hair removal device. So on average, 24 million people search for a laser hair removal device to use at home, but they struggle to find one. And that's because the TRIA laser hair removal device is the only one for at-home use. And the TRIA 4x hair removal laser uses clinical grade laser technology to give you permanent results. So you may be thinking that you've seen hair removal devices online many times. What am I talking about? And you'd be right, but most of them, or all of them probably, are IPL. However, IPL uses pulse light, which angles down in almost like a triangle, so it doesn't get as deep down into the root of the hair and directly down as well as the TRIA device does, with this being actual laser technology. And because of that, you'll find that with IPL, you'll get temporary results. So yes, with IPL, you may see a slower growth rate, or you may not see any growth at all, but it will come back eventually. Whereas with laser technology, it directs itself right down to the root and kills it at the root and prevents it from coming back permanently. And because of this, the TRIA 4x is up to 233% more powerful than IPL. It also emits a precise wavelength of 810 nanometers, whereas IPL is a broader, untargeted approach. So yeah, you may have seen online, you know, that you've got all the big brands like Braun and Philips that do the IPL devices, but these aren't anywhere near as effective or permanent as an actual laser device like the TRIA one. So I've been using it personally now for the last 5 weeks, or just under 5 weeks, and I have no hair growth now at all. It is amazing. And according to the stats as well, it says 100% see up to 100% hair reduction in 8 treatments. I'm one of those 100%, believe me. It also says that 75% see visible results in 2 treatments, up to 75% hair reduction, clinically proven for permanent results at home, and plus 90% diode lasers are clinically proven to be up to 90.1% more effective than IPL, which I touched on just now. So yeah, I started using it, as I say, about a month ago, and after the first 2 treatments, I was like, where's my hair? I'm one of these people, I have to shave. I hate shaving, absolutely hate it, which is the reason that I wanted to do something like this. But when it comes to shaving, I would shave. My underarms, I have to do daily. Hair on my legs, I would shave, and then probably 2 days later, I'd have to shave again. And yeah, a bit of a pain, to be quite honest with you, especially when it comes to this time of the year. You know, you've got your underarms, you've got your legs out more because obviously it's warmer, and you don't want to be shaving all the time. It dries my skin out as well. And I'm someone that likes to wear a little bit of fake tan as well in the summer. And you know, when you're constantly shaving, you're shaving off that layer of fake tan. So yes, I did want to use something that was effective and that was going to give me long-term results as well. So when it comes to hair removal, there are a few facts that you would need to bear in mind with regards to the hair colour and your skin tone as well. So unfortunately, if you are of a deeper skin tone, and you won't be able to use this, and this is because with laser hair removal, it actually attacks the melanin. So obviously, if you are of a deeper skin tone, it will attack the melanin in your skin tone as well. It can make you look a bit blotchy, a bit patchy. And this is also for the reason of hair colour as well. Obviously, if you have a particularly light hair colour, like naturally, of course, or if it's pure white or anything like that, it won't work because there's no melanin, or there's a lack of melanin for the laser to attract, meaning that, you know, it's just simply not going to work. It's defective in that case. So this is the device itself. It's quite weighty, you know, it's really good quality. It doesn't feel like cheap or anything like that, like some of them can. I've used a couple of IPL devices that I've featured on my channel, and they've felt quite cheap, whereas this one, complete opposite. It feels quality. So here we have the precision treatment window, and then around here we have the skin contact safety sensors. And then, as I say, it's got powerful diode laser technology as well. So this bit here is an ergonomic handle with rubberized grip. And then down here, this is your skin tone sensor with lockout technology. How cool is that? So it's completely wireless as well, which is great. There's nothing worse than having to, you know, drag wires around your body when you're trying to do something like this. And then it's rechargeable just here. What's really good as well is the plug that comes with it. So it's one of these plugs like this, but the plug that actually comes with it, I've only used this once, you know, since I got this. I've only had to charge it once. It lasts ages. But we also get the UK one, which is obviously one that I've used. And then there's also a 2-pin plug as well, like this, and another 2-pin plug like this. So I'll give you a quick demo of how to actually use the device now. So the button here is to turn it on. You just give a quick press and then that will give you that screen there. Obviously we have our battery, which is full for me. And then there's 5 levels as well that you can use. And to select your level, you just do a quick press. So just like that. And then obviously again, if you want to up the levels. So I have this cream as well, which is a TRIA cream. This is the Photograph Hydrating Calm Soothing Gel. And I apply this beforehand. So I just take, I don't take loads actually, like that much there. And just rub that in like this. You can use this afterwards as well as like a soothing gel, which actually feels really nice. Can you see? It's such a beautiful hydrating cream. Look at that. Right, so I'll just show you the bottom half because it's easier on camera, to be honest with you. And all you do is, what I love about this is there's no button pressing. It does it all for you. It's all automatic. Just hold it down like that and then lift slightly, very slightly, and move on to the next area. How easy is that? If you do it wrong, if you do it at a funny angle or something, can you hear that? See, it's actually quite hard to do it wrong, but if I've done it a couple of times and it kind of gives a, I'm sure you just, there you go. It gives like a buzz to let you know that, you know, it's not in contact with the skin properly. But as you can see, it's, that's just cooling it down a bit. As you can see, it's a direct light rather than like the IPL is. So you don't need glasses with it either, which is really good. Because as I say, because it's a direct light straight down, it's not like it's, you know, splaying out, shall we say, and it's going to affect your eyes. Yeah, that fan you can hear is just cooling the machine down. It's just cooling the laser down. It just comes on every now and then. I've already done my other leg, which is why it's doing it quite a lot at the moment. It's probably getting quite, oh, it's probably getting quite hot. But yeah, can you see? Really quick, really easy. I don't have the time, I'll be honest, to do a long-winded like addition to my skincare, like my body care. And this is perfect for that because it only takes like 15 minutes probably to do both legs and my underarms and I'm done. You know, I work all day and then in the evening, you know, I'm being a mum, being a wife, and I want something quick and easy, as I say, that I can just fit in. So yeah, that is all you do. It's so easy, isn't it? It really is. And then this is a little bit trickier to show you the underarms, but it's just the same. You know, just move. I haven't got any gel on, but normally I would. But you just move along in the area where you get any growth. And that's it. The underarms are really, really quick to do because, as you can see, it's quite a small area. So, yeah, just try not to cover the same area twice. I kind of go round in a circle, as you saw then, and then I do like 4 in the middle so that I get the whole surface area, but without, you know, doubling over on areas. But yeah, look, no growth at all, and no growth on my legs. Absolutely love it. And yeah, as you can see, so easy to use. It really is. It takes, I would say it took me about 20 minutes per session, if I'm being honest. It says like 10 to 15, but I work quite slow. I was trying to get everywhere, you know. I'd rather take my time and get every little bit than yeah, miss bits basically. But yeah, it doesn't hurt. Well, I don't think it does anyway. And yeah, as I said before, I am loving it, absolutely loving it, because yeah, I've had no growth for the last week. So if you were looking to purchase the TRIA laser hair removal device, I would highly recommend that you do. Honestly, it is the best thing when it comes to hair removal I have ever used. It's incredible. So of course, I will also pop the link in the description box below for you, along with a discount code as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.